Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. This is gonna be Math 125 homework walkthrough videos here. Today the topic is gonna be s- sections 7.3, which we're talking about the tricks of integration. Tricks is like an advanced integration technique that we learn in Math 25 and further advanced integration calculus course. And the main purpose of trigonometric substitution is to solve more complicated integral by expressing the Cartesian equation to the trigonometric expression. Let me get back to obtain a Cartesian equation expressed in terms of using the trigonometric identity expression, use a Pythagorean identity here. The first type that if you ever encounter this, it's you can see it's x squared plus 36 here is a positive. It's a positive variable, positive constant. We write them as x squared plus a squared, where x is a variable, a is a constant. We just have the x equal to 6 tangent of like x or whatever variable is. For x squared plus a squared, this is the form. X squared plus a to the squared is using the tangent. Tangent is going to be a because it's a 6, because 6 squared is 36. Then plug back in, just use the integration that as you do before you sub. Okay, number 2 is actually going to be t squared minus 4. This is like x squared minus a squared. This type would be x equal to a times to the secant of theta. So t equals t squared minus 2 squared. So use a substitution of x equal to 2 secant of a theta. Then changing the bound because now you're doing a u sub. The trick sub is just the advanced version of a u substitution that you learn in 5.5. So you just need to set 4 equals to 2 secant of theta. That's your new upper bound. Then 2 squared of 2 equal to 2 secant of squared. No, 2 squared of 2 equals to 2 secant of theta. That is our new lower bound. Then replace it's going to be 8 secant cubic to the theta, then do the integration. Wow, this is going to be a squared minus x to the squared. This is going to be a x equal to a x equal to a sine of theta. In this case, it's like a is gonna be because this is gonna be a 1 squared minus 9x to the squared. So be careful. Number 4, just following the a squared minus x to the squared. So x gonna be a to the sine theta, then do the u substitution, then down with this integral. Weird layout right now. How this is. This one gonna be tricky. It's gonna be negative 4x, but there's a way to solve it. This is a polynomial. You can by completing the square. Completing the square it is used when you find like a polynomial expression. It just looks like x plus or minus a to the squared minus plus another constant. Notice that negative 4x squared plus 4x plus, so it's going to be negative 4x. We put a negative sign here, negative 4x to the squared minus 4x, then plus here gonna be one half of like the because it's gonna be we factor negative 4 out of here, so it's gonna be negative 4 x to the squared minus x is gonna be plus gonna be 1 4. We can set them gonna be negative 4, it's gonna be x minus 1 half into the squared, and then just started with this, and they're gonna be or we can just do like and just to complete the square, then do and and determine a pattern what they want to do sub. This is odd. How? Sorry about how this is happening. Okay, for this one, it's gonna be you know that there's a completing square. X squared minus 2x plus 1, that is x minus 1 to the squared. Notice, oh, come on. There's no eraser. We can just do gonna be um x. I needed to undo this. I'm sorry for this. I gonna use this. Then I'm gonna be like x minus 1 to the square, gonna plus 1 and plus 1. This is a variable. This is gonna be the x component. This this is gonna be the a component here. So you just need to set is x minus 1. X minus 1 is equal to like 1 tangent of a theta. That's what you need to do by this. I need to flip this up. Let's see what the questions are. If you see this completing the square, you just need a because x squared plus 10 is maybe plus minus a 0. This is the trick because there's gonna be no constant here. So what the possibility is gonna be like x squared plus 10x plus 25. Why the 25? It's just hard. I'm so sorry that this is happening. Damn it, I just need to do one thing. Then minus a 25. That's just what is happening here. And this can be right as x minus 5 to the squared, then minus a 5 to the squared. This is how gonna be. This is gonna be x squared minus a squared. I think that will be all for section 7.3 here. And if you have any questions for me, let me know. And I will have a midterm 2 review guide sent out very soon because I know midterm is next week. I hope my video is helpful for this trig substitution integration. And see you in the next video for section 7.4 partial fraction decomposition integration. Thank you so much and have a great day.